Little Blue Truck's springtime. Little Blue Truck is on the road taking a drive with a good friend Toad. It's a yoo-hoo sky blue spring sing day. Who do they see along the way? Yoo-hoo sheep, beep beep, what's new? A little white lamb and a twin lamb too. Who's out swimming in a line? Yoo-hoo, duck and ducklings 9. Yoo-hoo, goat, what do you say? Can the kids come out to play? Is there a goat? Oh, there's the goat with the kids. Look at the frog with the hat on. His flowers. Yoo-hoo, cow, just munching corn. Yoo-hoo, little calf, just born. Oh, look at all the frogs. Mama pig, who's in your pen? Yoo-hoo, piglets, 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 little piglets. Oh, look at, there's a frog holding, he's going to get on the truck. Ears in clover, that looks funny. Hippity hop, yoo-hoo, bunny. Bunny sister, bunny brother, and another, Bunny, bunny, 2 bunnies. Bunny, 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 lots of bunnies. What's this nestled in the grass? Check it out before we pass. Tap, tap, anybody home? Who's inside this smooth round dome? Crackety crack, everybody shout, yoo-hoo chick, come on out. Yoo-hoo sun, yoo-hoo sky, yoo-hoo white clouds sailing by, birds that sing, frogs that leap, yoo-hoo spring, beep, beep, beep. The truck is filled with springtime frogs. There's the baby calf and the bunnies and little baby sheep, or is it a goat, and a piglet, and a little chick. Oh, look at, even the pigs are wearing flowers. And the mama duck's wearing flowers. Ginny, do you see that? Can you find the bird's nest in the tree? Look, way up there. There's the bird's nest. It's springtime. Beep, beep, beep. Love you, Ginny.